Hello, kids! Good day! It's English time again, and this is Teacher Eve. Before we will start, let me check it first. Can you hear me? Good. Can you see me? Better. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. Now this time, we will talk about farm animals. There are lots of kinds of farm animals and they have their specific names and sounds. Now let's find out this one. Sit nicely and listen carefully. Here we go. Okay, so here we go, kids. Now let us guess what are the animals that is inside the stable. What animal is in the stable? Listen carefully. Is it A, goat? Letter B, cow? Letter C, dog? Okay, let's try for a goat. Yes, that is a goat. Now let's proceed with this. Is it sheep, goat, or duck? Let us try. Is it a goat? No. Is it a sheep?
Sheep.
Yes, it is a sheep. Everybody say a sheep. A sheep. Now let us go to the next one. Is it a goat, a horse, or a donkey? Okay, let us try for a horse.
Horse.
Yes, you are correct. A horse. How about this one? What animal is in the stable? Is it a goat, a rooster, or a donkey? Let us try for a donkey.
Donkey.
Very good. It's a donkey. Everybody say a donkey. Now let's proceed. What animal is in the stable? Oh, we hear that one every morning, right? Is it a rooster, a duck, or a hen? Is it a hen? No. Is it a rooster?
Rooster.
Yes, it is a rooster. Everybody say a rooster. A rooster. Let's proceed to the next one. What animal is in the stable? Oh, is it a duck, a pig, or a hen? Of course, it's a pig. Everybody say a pig. A pig. How about this one? What animal is in the stable? Is it a turkey, a duck, or a hen? Let us try for a turkey. Okay, how about a duck?
Duck.
Yes, it's a duck. Now let's proceed. What animal is in the stable? Is it a hen, a goat, or a turkey? Let us try for a turkey.
Turkey.
Yes, you are correct. Everybody say a turkey. How about this one? What animal is in the stable? Is it a hen, a goat, or a rabbit? Let us try with a rabbit. Of course not. How about with a goat?
Goat.
Yes, you are correct. A goat. And the last one. What animal is in the stable? Is it a hen, a female chicken, or a chick, a baby chicken, or a rooster, a male chicken? Okay, let me try with a chick, a baby chicken. Of course not. How about a hen?
Hen.
Very good, it's a hen. Great job, kids, for doing it well. Now this time, it's time for you to answer your worksheet. So on the screen is your worksheet. Don't forget to write your name, and here you will simply name the farm animals according to the image provided. Color the images nicely. Okay, this one sounds moo. This one sounds quack, 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 quack. And this one sounds cuckoo, cuckoo. And this one, meh. This one, oink, 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 oink. And the last one, meh. Okay, please write the correct spelling and color it nicely. Don't forget to take a picture of it. When we will see each other again, I will be giving you your gratitude star and some rewards. Before I will leave, I would like to remind you to eat healthy foods. Always drink plenty of water. And don't forget to drink your milk. If you want to go outside with your family and friends, please wear a mask and observe social distancing. In the evening, don't forget to sleep early so that you can get up early. And lastly, be always good to your mommy and daddy. This is Teacher Eve saying you bye-bye. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy!